Good evening, everyone. And today, me and my colleague Gaurav from Valio, we are going to present a topic on battery back design with immersive cooling using GT Suite and GT Converge. Though the entire day has been around GT applications, and this is again one of the other GT application, and that too on the immersive cooling and more or less the same topics. But we are also trying to forecast here something different in terms of thermal runaway or to have an insight on different parameters. So majorly the battery suppliers here or even the fluid supplier or the dielectric fluid suppliers can have some reasonable findings from our presentation. So I'll move ahead. So first an insight on to the Valio business, and Valio has around 17.3 billion euros business globally, and it has more than 100,000 of employees, and its presence is into 31 countries, not as an end product, with its own presence with the direct production in 31 countries, and it has 64 R&D centers across the globe. And Valio's business is majorly divided into 4 streams. One is the powertrain. The other one is comfort and driving assistance, where Valio is proudly the leader supplier in ADAS system globally. It has the biggest business or business market share, more than 40% in ADAS systems globally. The third one is visibility, and the fourth one is thermal. So me and Gaurav, we belong from the thermal domain of the Valio. So let me just go through the same slides of battery thermal management system. Like what are the thermal systems in an EV? So basically there are 3 major thermal management systems inside a EV we need to focus on. The first one is the cabin comfort. For India we need primarily cooling, and for Europe and Western